Hey guys, today we are making super easy scoop back dress, so stay tuned with us and watch this tutorial. You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. Hi guys, I am Momo and you are watching Momo Sewing and Beginner. Today we are making a scoop back dress with super easy pattern and you are going to shock with this one. This is our pattern that is for A-line dress. Yes, you are got the right one. We are making our scoop back dress with our A-line dress pattern. This is particular size of pattern is 16 inch in length. So this is our 9th inch in length, 9th inch in total width. The hip line is 9th inch and the shoulder is 4.5 inch. So it's about 16 inch in length of A-line dress. And now we have a ruffles going to add at the end, which is about 4 inch in height. So in total we are going to have 16 plus 4 equal to 20 inch in total dress size. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just mapping this pattern. So this is the fun one guys, that this pattern can be downloaded from dresscraft.com in a free of cost. So you can go and grab a free pattern. I'm just mapping the pattern, going to cut it in a quick super way. So as you can see that I am done with my one end of the dress, and I've just done it in a double 4. So we have two pieces right now, the front and the back side. The front is going to be a super simple with the back side of the dress. You can see that we are having 2.5 inch in depth. You can see that I'm just going to have a rectangle, or you can draw a simple, basically I'm doing a drafting over here. I've make a 2.5 inch square box and just go make a curve and going to and just cut it. This is our front side which I just completed, and now I'm working on the back side, which is going to have a scoop. So you can see that this is around 8 inch in depth. And now when we take a incline, it is about 8.5 or 9th inch. So we are going to have a single line, inclined line. So our straight line is 8 inch, and when we inclined it, it's become 8.5. I'm just cutting it. This is our scoop. This is a simple A-line hack. So I'm going to have a series of A-line hacks because this is, I think, the 4th and the 5th or the 6th one. There is so much of variations I can do. I'm just prouding myself. Okay, so I'm just joining it. This is my front side, which is 2.5 inch in depth, the neckline, and now we are going to have a 4 inch eyelet lace at the 4 inch as a ruffle, and we have a lots of ruffle at front and the back, and a big bow on the back side. So let us start with the sewing steps. This is our all pieces of sewing which are going to have our sewing steps. This is our bow, and this is a long tail of bow, and this is a bi-stave. This is our eyelet lace, 4 inch eyelet lace. This is my 4 inch eyelet lace. If you don't have a eyelet lace, you can use fabric for it. Now firstly I'm going to have gathers on eyelet lace, so I'm just going a simple seam on the top side of the eyelet lace and then going to do a manual gathers. If your eyelet lace is with a or is with a tape, then you can't remove it. Actually, you just do it in a that way. So you didn't know how to do it because it doesn't have a, you can't remove the tape, you know. So I'm just doing it in a super fast way. I'm just done with my single seam and doing a manual gathers. I'm just starting it and going to do it in a super fast way. If you don't know how to do this manual gathers, you can scroll a little bit in my video section and go to the long bodice dress and then just watch it from there. You can see that I've done with my manual gathers. This is in total and this is for the neck line, okay, this is not for the bottom side. So how we are going to do this is my two pieces. I'm just joining the shoulders over here, so just doing a super fast. I'm done with my shoulders and just removing the threads, so nothing will be left. Now I'm just riveting the dress. You can see that this is our back side, and now I'm going to start attaching my lace. You can see that if I'm going to adjust it, so if it is not coming up properly, try to adjust your manual gathers. Now I've done with my attaching of the lace along with the neckline. I've just sewed the shoulder and I sew it very nicely from the back side of the scoop. This is my bistep which is going to attach along with the gathers, so it doesn't show a bad seam, or you can see it looks bad, the seam shows up, so I'm just covering it with the bistep. Let me press it and make it at a properly double fold bistep. You can see that this is a very nice single, it is not double fold, it is a single fold bistep. So if you don't know how to make a double fold bistep or single fold bistep, you can go to the above link which is just showing up. Click on that link and the windows pop up and you just go and watch it. And I am just attaching my bistep along with my neckline. You can see that I am done with my bistep, and you can see that we have extra ends from the both side. Now I'm going to wrap it. Just see this. If you don't want to see this, you can skip this part because we are going to have a big bow on it. I'm just doing a straight seam on that bicep, the leftover part, and just going to remove that one, the both excess part. You can see that the hardcore thing. And now I'm just doing again a seam over here, just to, this is a difficult one if your boat is not good enough and if it is made up of plastic. So you can do it with your hand seam or just do it with the needles if you don't want to hurt your boot. So this is the back neckline, and now I'm going to start with my bow. And you can see that I have a rectangle piece over here and two big size tie shape. It is a kind of pentagon, a long tail pentagon or a kite, whatever you want to say. As you can see, this is a bow rectangle part. What I am doing over here, I am just going in a straight way, in a horizontal way. I've just did a gap in between there and just sew the sides. If you have a 3-inch, just go ahead and sew a 1-inch sides and give a gap of 1 inch in between and just seam the sides. As you can see how I've seamed it, I've just do my seam is in between. You can see that this is the main point I'm trying to make over here. Now I'm just seaming my long tail bow, which kind of tie in a pentagon. It is a pentagon kind of shape, so just let me complete it and try to make it how it looks like. As you can see that we are done with our bow tails, and now I am just going to revert it. Okay, this is our bow. I have just made it after the and skip that step, and I've just stuck it with the hand seam. As you can see, this is a done part, and we are done with our bow and our neckline as well. Now we are going to have as you can see, I have a double fold bicep. So in the same way I am going to attach it along with the armhole. And so it is a sleeveless dress with a scoop back and having a big bow on it. If you have a struggle with the attaching a bow, let me know, so I will teach you in a standalone video, so no need to attempt over here. I have completed one armhole with having a bicep. You can see that is a very clean and easy one, and now I'm going to do it the second one as well. As you can see, the second armhole is attaching bicep is done. And now what I'm going to do, we need to do a few steps. That is, we need to sew the sides of the dress, and after sewing the sides, what we are left over is that our final eyelet lace at the end of the dress. So we are going to attach it after the seaming the sides. So firstly, I'm starting with my seaming side, so let me do it in a quick fast way. As you can see, I am done with my side seams, and now I am just giving a small gathers along with my lace. This is how I'm going to give a lace, not giving a manual gathers but machine gathers. As you can see, my gathers are done. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to join it. Firstly, I'm going to attach the sides of the lace, and then I'm going to attach it along with the bodice bottom, and it just gives a very good volume, a classy look. Firstly, I'm going to seam it. A single seam we need to do over here. Here you go. And now I'm just going to insert the lace. You can see that. I'm just going to start with seam. A super fast seam is going to happen now. I'm done with my seam attachment. As you can see that I'm going to have a overlock over here, so it is very good dimensions. Now I'm done with my finished seam on the lace. So this is our final look of the dress. You can see that it has a very nice ruffles on the front side. It has a back scoop and a bow with it, or having a very nice eyelet lace texture everywhere in the dress. This is a very formal plus casual dress for your kid, and you can make your top it as well. This is a top or a dress for your kid. Hope you like this tutorial. This is a very unique kind of a dress. Thank you so much, and share this tutorial and subscribe to us. Thank you. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to us, like this video and share this video as well. See you soon.